afternoon, friends. Welcome back to another episode of Miss Donna's Woodland Adventures. So for today's adventure, I thought we'd wander around Miss Donna's backwoods a little bit and see if we can sneak up on any animals. And I have to tell you, a little while ago, I heard this very strange noise. I don't think I've ever heard it here before. It was sort of a little bit of a growl and sort of this high-pitched, I don't know if it's a tweet or chirping or gibberish. It was very, very strange. So maybe if we're really quiet, we can sneak up on whatever it is if we can find it. You guys ready to go sneaking through the woods and see what we can find? All right, excellent. Come along with me. I'm going to turn the camera around and see what we can find. Okay, my friends, let's look around because I think it was somewhere back here that I heard the noise. Did anybody see anything? Oh, I'm not so sure I see anything yet. How about you? Wait, is that something there? Oh, I'm going to sneak behind this tree and hide for a second. I think it might be. What made the noise? Does anybody know what it is? I think you might be right. Miss Donna's trying not to trip as we try and sneak up on it. Is it? It is! It's an Ewok! How awesome is that Miss Donna has an Ewok in her backyard? And I think he would like to wish you a happy Star Wars Day. Can I get him with a picture with me? There we go. Everybody have a great Star Wars Day. May the 4th be with you.